here for more Fried Chicken Friday. We're here at Universal City Walk at Chick Chicken. We got the classic. Let's check it out. I've heard good things. Looks heavy. Hell of a fry on that thing. All right. Scalding hot. That's the way I like it. The comeback sauce is really good. I like the bun. It's juicy, really, really hot. And the pickles are nice and crunchy. I really like this. It's a tasty sandwich for sure. The comeback sauce is really good. And it's hearty. I mean, definitely one of these would fill you up. The chicken is nice and dense and thick. Heavy fry on there. I like this. I would go, I go 7-9. There's your review. Chicken at Universal City Walk.